The Blizzard Bag Filter 50 is a classic bag filter with a pneumatic cleaning system to purify the filter bags. This filter consists of a casing which houses filter bags, a clean air chamber, a self-cleaning system, a dust-collecting hopper, supporting structures, and a ladder with a service platform. The filter purifies contaminated air and removes dust with a size of 0.2 micrometers or more. A large service door allows the filter to be easily serviced. The filtration elements can be replaced from the top platform. The filter unit accommodates 340 bag filters. Dust is discharged through sluice valves installed on the hopper cones. Don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help.